In the quiet dawn of supply farms, the journey of Hellmann's real mayonnaise begins with nature's perfect ingredient. Thousands of premium eggs are gathered daily from trusted farms that supply the Hellmann's chain. Each egg undergoes careful washing to meet strict food safety standards. Rapid air drying prepares them for the next quality step. Advanced candling ensures only flawless eggs proceed. Quality eggs are palletized for refrigerated transport. Pallets are loaded into chilled transport for the short journey. Refrigerated trucks carry fresh eggs to the processing facility. The raw harvest now moves toward transformation. Arrival at the Hellmann's facility begins the industrial phase. Fresh eggs arrive at the Hellmann's facility in climate-controlled transport. The dock leveler bridges the gap, preserving the cold chain. Pallets are carefully removed using electric handling equipment. Incoming pallets transition onto powered conveyors for indoor handling. Every load receives surface sanitization upon entry. Automated systems begin separating trays for processing. Trays of clean eggs enter the main production flow. Eggs are aligned and singulated for individual handling. Inline vision systems perform final arrival quality check. The eggs now reach the heart of initial processing. The facility itself is a tightly controlled environment built for food safety and efficiency. Every entry point maintains strict hygiene barriers. All personnel follow rigorous entry protocols. Footwear is automatically sanitized before entering production zones. Strict hand hygiene is performed at multiple checkpoints. Fresh gloves seal the protective barrier. Final visual checks complete before entering the heart of production. Welcome to the controlled production environment. Here, the raw ingredients begin their transformation into Hellmann's real mayonnaise. Eggs receive a thorough mechanical brushing to remove any residual surface material. High-pressure rinsing ensures maximum shell cleanliness. Precision air knives remove moisture without touching the product. Translucent candling reveals internal quality with high-resolution lighting. Advanced machine vision performs non-destructive quality grading. Precision weighing ensures consistency in the raw material. A final antimicrobial mist safeguards product integrity. Accumulators balance the flow for continuous processing. Automated handling prepares eggs for clean, efficient cracking. The eggs are expertly broken, beginning the separation of nature's key components. Freshly broken eggs are immediately separated into their pure components. Inline filtration removes any trace shell or membrane residue. Whites undergo precise filtration to ensure absolute clarity. Temperature-controlled holding tanks preserve freshness during staging. Yolks are gently pumped to the next processing stage. Egg whites are transferred in lockstep with the yolks. Flow meters ensure precise, proportional delivery to blending. The core egg components are now staged for emulsification. Seasonings and stabilizers are accurately dosed for consistent flavor. A gentle premix prepares the foundation for the signature Hellmann's emulsion. The prepared egg base now enters the critical emulsification stage. Neutral vegetable oil is metered in continuously for perfect ratio control. Intense mechanical energy creates millions of stable oil droplets. Homogenization refines droplet size for ultimate stability and mouthfeel. Controlled acidity is introduced to balance flavor and preserve safety. The signature Hellmann's texture is finalized in this polishing step. Surge tanks buffer the continuous process for downstream stability. Positive displacement pumping moves the finished emulsion without shear damage. Advanced inline inspection ensures no foreign material enters packaging. The completed mayonnaise now divides to feed the high-speed packaging lines. Smart diverters route the emulsion to match downstream packaging demand. Jacketed tanks maintain precise temperature control during buffering. Continuous viscosity monitoring guarantees batch-to-batch texture consistency. Automated clean-in-place systems maintain hygiene between production runs. Multi-stage CIP ensures zero cross-contamination. Robotic systems handle intermediate storage containers with precision. AGVs transport finished product to packaging zones efficiently. Centralized SCADA systems provide complete visibility and control. Automation seamlessly bridges processing to high-speed filling. High-speed rotary fillers deliver exact portions of Hellmann's signature emulsion. Automated unscramblers prepare caps for tamper-evident application. Servo-driven cappers apply consistent, secure closure. Induction sealing creates a hermetic, tamper-evident barrier. High-precision labelers apply iconic Hellmann's branding flawlessly. Landing systems organize product for efficient secondary packaging. Automated erectors prepare sturdy shipping cases on demand. Robots handle delicate placement for damage-free packing. Secure sealing completes the primary packaging process. Machine vision confirms perfect packaging appearance. Samples are held under controlled conditions before laboratory analysis.